Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to this video. So in this video, we'll be looking at PipiAds, because I've been seeing a lot of questions asking if PipiAd worth it. So we are going to be looking at PipiAds and everything you need to know regarding to this wonderful tool called PipiAds. So all I'm going to be showing you in this video is not just about PipiAds per se, but I'll be telling you everything you need to know regarding this tool, whether it's meant for you, whether it's not meant for you, you are going to know in this video. So everything regarding to PipiAd will be made available to you. And also remember, for those that are asking for a coupon code regarding to PipiAd, it is also available. So if you need a coupon code, also use Odyssey Junior as your coupon code. Use Odyssey Junior as your coupon code. So some people are asking a question like, do PipiAd really worth it? Should I use PipiAd? Should I use it for my spy as my spy tool? Why not use Big Spy? Why not use mere spy tools and other spy tools? So in this video, I will just be telling you why you should and why you should not use it, because I'm going to go in depth about everything you need to know regarding to this spy tool. So if you are just starting up on dropshipping and you have not known anything you need to know, anything regarding to PipiAds or maybe any spy tool, then this video is what you have to watch. So let me just show you something very interesting. So this PipiAds, first it started as a company that just wanted to help people to know or to spy on their competitors using what? Using the TikTok library or the ad library of TikTok. But from there, they graduated to maybe using other platforms like Facebook and other ads managers and the rest of it. So right now, they have other tools that they use. Like for instance, you can see this one now, this particular one, which is what dropshipping by AI. It says Shopify dropshipping tools and Shopify sales tracker. So they also inputted or they also added a dropshipping AI that can help you to track what is happening on Shopify. So it's not only maybe spying on your competitor, you also spy on the Shopify platform. And this one is Instant Shop. They also have this one. This tuner is free. Then they have what we call PPSPY Chrome extension. You can install this one also as a Chrome extension and use it for free. All these ones are free. Then TikTok, Udemy, parameters. This one is also free. We also have Shopify app dictator. This one helps you to dictate the Shopify apps. That's whenever you input it, you will be able to dictate it. So just wait till the end of this video because I'm going to show you not only this, I will tell you the reason you should use it and the reason you should not use it. So I hope you are going to stay to the end of this video because I will make everything in depth for you. I will tell you everything you need to know. So the next one now, we have Shopify. Okay, we have TikTok. This one is TikTok Ads Tools. So the number one they have in TikTok Ads Tools, they have TikTok UTM parameters. They have TikTok ad targeting and audience. They have TikTok ads calculator, cost calculator. So all these things are what you need to have or you need to also make use of if you are starting up with this particular company. So we have what we call dropshipping tools also. So in the dropshipping tools, you have the dropshipping traffic calculator online. You have the dropshipping CPA calculator, that's cost per action calculator online. Then we have the dropshipping profit calculator. We have the dropshipping profit margin calculator. So we have a many segments right now that we have gone through. The first one is, why is this not loading? So this one is the most popular tools. Then we come down to what? TikTok ad tools. Then we come back to the next one, which is dropshipping tools. Then we come back to the next one, which is what Shopify tools. So these are tools of different segments, and all of them are available on what? On this platform. So once you come to the platform, you can be able to see all these things available for you. So in Shopify, I think we have done the one of Shopify. Okay, so in Shopify, we have Shopify Detector, we have this, wait, we have all this available here. So is this tool good enough for you to start using it right now as someone that is starting up on dropshipping? I think it was whatever or whatever you might have heard concerning it. It's worth it because of what the value you are going to be getting from this particular tool makes the journey easier for you. Because as a dropshipper, there are a lot of things you have to do. You have to be able to know the right product. You are able to know how to start up, you make your advertisement and the rest of it. So this particular tool makes the journey easier for you in order for you to just more focus on one thing, which is what how to promote your business. Whatever in terms of selecting a product to use will not be an issue again for you. So the most important thing is just you trying to just use this tool and use it for your own good, because I know definitely this tool is going to work very perfect for you. So if you have been looking for aspect tool that can serve you and help you to get the best out of your dropshipping business, I think this Spy tool is the one that you can use today. Number one, you can use the free version. So using the free version, you can be getting at least get one or two products for yourself. But if you want to use the paid version, always remember to use the coupon code to get 20% discount. ODC Junior, use the coupon code ODC Junior to get 20% discount. So if you have been asking or you have been asking that question, do PipiAds worth it? The answer is yes, PipiAds worth it. It was the vibes, the talk, or whatever some people have said about it. I think it worth it. So I think I'm recommending them for you. Click the first link below this video to get access to PipiAds right now, either for the free version or the paid version. Just click the first link. If you are going for the paid version, always remember to use the coupon code ODC Junior to get access today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.